Hello, you fine people of the internet, my friends. Today I've got a little update video for you just because winter is rapidly approaching. It's only like a month and a half away now, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to put the bike up here really soon after Halloween. I'll probably try to get a Halloween video made and uploaded, but I really cannot make any promises because snow is so unpredictable here that I might have to drop back down to one video, like I said, if I even said that. I don't remember already. I'm going to try and keep the two schedule. I'm going to do a lot of scripted videos where I just write down a topic and ramble on about it, you know, instead of looking at things as I see them. Like that beautiful sunset in the mirror right there. Hopefully you are seeing that, and I'm not just talking about it, y'all can't see it. Well, that's beautiful. I'm going to chase that one these days for a video. Anyway, back on topic. Over the winter, I hope to upgrade my camera. I have an 8 right now, black. Not going to change that at all. I want to get a 360. Mac on the right is also getting a 360 for his wheelies. I just want to get it for some of the fun things I do, you know, because sometimes I dance on the bike when I'm alone, listening to music, and I think it would be funny, good content, you know, stuff that would be view-worthy. Because sometimes they make good videos, and sometimes I really don't make good videos. And I apologize if this is not a good video. I'm not going to post videos of me updating my handlebars because unfortunately I don't have the garage to do it. And the know-how I can Google, you know, that's just whatever, my owner's manual stuff. But I don't have the means to do it, nor the location to do it. So I'm going to pay a dealership to do it while it's in storage at the same dealership. They're normally pretty good about it. Please don't pull in front of me, lady. But I do plan on getting Death Metal Racing 12-inch risers, straight pull, no pullback, just straights, in the OG gold, and I'm gonna pair those with Biltwell mids. Oh my God, Jesus Christ! A Biltwell tracker bar, nice Denali though. And I want to get some gold 2-finger levers because I find myself wanting to just use 2 fingers instead of the whole hand. You know how it be sometimes. I want to get a fairing for the bike and some new saddlebags because these pop open too much. I'm pretty much making this into a mini bagger so I don't feel the need to get on a road glide until after I pay off the Aprilia I plan to buy over said winter as well, or maybe mid-summer next year. I don't know when. But at some point I will own that fucking Aprilia because they are so awesome. SC Project is a good pipe for it too. I mean, I already got shit narrowed down. But that's about all I had, really, honestly. Like, follow me on Instagram if you want to see, like, winter shenanigans on my story, because I don't really post anything but bike pictures here and there. I'm active on there for messaging and stuff, but I'm not really active for posting, which sucks, but I don't take that many pictures. I'm too busy riding the damn motorcycle to take pictures. So, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the really overused meme I use as a thumbnail. You know, winter is coming, huh? And I don't know, just letting y'all know what's going on. Hopefully you guys understand and will hang out with me until then, even if I can't get real content out for about a month, because that's about all I got right now is about a month or two of content. So bike goes up end of October, pick it up hopefully late March, early April. So I'm gonna have November, December, January, February, and March. You know, that's 4 and 5 months damn near. It's a lot of videos. That's like 8 a month. That's 24. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's 8 a month. It's like 24. I might be able to get enough out for y'all, but don't quote me on that. I'm gonna supplement with some things like when I transfer my helmet setup, like my mic, my camera, my Sena, and all that stuff to a new helmet I plan on buying, as well as a best of 2021 and all that fun stuff. But anyway, like I said, hopefully y'all stick around. Maybe some of you are new here and want to like know why I still post motovlogs in the middle of winter, and this is the video for that, explaining why. Hopefully y'all have a good one. Keep the rubber side down, and yeah, I'll see y'all around. Fuck, I don't know, man.